Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving break. We are wrapping up our time in the book with Chapter 15, Personal Safety and Injury Prevention. And so with this chapter, it's pretty much self-explanatory. It's getting into ways that you can keep yourself safe. It addresses the personal safety aspect, but then also goes over trends for injuries that are more common with young adults or particularly college-age students. And it gets into unintentional and intentional injuries, and then obviously ways that you can prevent those. So it's pretty much business as usual for this last chapter. We've got our intro video, your PowerPoint, your MyLabs Plus, your quiz, and your checklist. Remember, make sure you are checking the checklist and make sure it's filled in completely. Also, go back and just double check your grades and make sure you have the grade that you think you should have. And if not, if you're missing any assignments, go back and complete them. Just be mindful of the fact that if there's a 0 in the grade book, you can make it up. That's fine. You just have to email me to let me know to remove that 0 so you can get the correct grade. Guys, let's finish strong. We've got one more week to go after this week, and we'll be done for the semester. As always, I'm just one email away if you have any questions. Take care. Have a great week.